In this video, I'll show you how to view followers on a Twitch mobile. Just go head over to your profile right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. And as you can see here, below your username, there is a follower section. As you can see here, I have 0 followers. Now, for example, that you wanted to view or check who was the person who followed you, just go ahead and open up your emailing service or the email which is tied to your Twitch account. For example, here, I have connected my Twitch account to Gmail. All right. Now I'm going to open up Gmail. And as you can see here, I have just received a notification. Made for Money 97 is now following you on Twitch. Now, when you tap on it, all right, and they have their profile picture in their Twitch account, you'll be able to see their profile picture here as well. All right. And that's basically how you check. Now, if you want to see all of your Twitch notifications to whoever followed you, just go ahead and tap on the search function right here at the top. Then look for Twitch. And here, just hit on enter. Now you'll be able to see who followed you recently on Twitch. All right. As you can see here, there are a lot of Twitch notifications right here. Just go ahead and check on them. And that's basically how you view your followers on Twitch mobile. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.